In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multi-timeframe market formation in TradingView Pro. To follow along, make sure you're already logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market or any symbol. What matters is that you're on the main chart screen where you can see your candles and the toolbar around it. First, we're going to open the Indicators menu. At the top of your chart, you'll see a button labeled Indicators. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all of TradingView's built-in indicators, community scripts, and your own saved tools live. Anytime you want to add something new to your chart, this is where you'll start. Once the indicators window pops up, you'll notice a search box at the top. Click directly inside that search box so you can start typing. This search bar is the fastest way to find specific indicators, especially when there are thousands available. You don't need to scroll through long lists manually, just use the search. Now, in that search field, type Multi Timeframe Market Formation. As you type, TradingView will filter the results in real time. Keep an eye on the list below the search box and look for the indicator with that exact name. When you see it appear in the results, click on it once. As soon as you do, TradingView will automatically add it to your active chart. After you've clicked it, close the indicators window and you should now see the multi-timeframe market formation overlay on your chart. Depending on how the script is designed, it might show structure levels, formations from higher timeframes, or additional visual cues layered over your current timeframe. Take a moment to zoom in and out a bit and switch timeframes if you want, just to see how it behaves and how it updates as you move around. If you're using TradingView Pro, you'll benefit from more indicators on the chart at the same time and a smoother overall experience, especially if you like to combine multi-timeframe market formation with other tools. If you don't have Pro yet, check the description below this video for my affiliate link. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it gives you access to the features needed if you like to stack multiple indicators and layouts together. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added the multi-timeframe market formation indicator to your TradingView Pro chart, and you're ready to start integrating it into your trading workflow.